Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell stocks on Etrade. So, first thing you need to do is log in into your account. Just visit the Etrade website, or you can also open the mobile app. Use your credential to log in. After this, access your portfolio. On the dashboard, click on Accounts and select Portfolio to view your holdings. And after this, just select the stock which you want to sell. Find the stock you want to sell, click on it and open the stock details page. From there, simply click on trade or the sell option next to the stock. And after this, simply select the order type. You can select it as market order, limit order, stop order, or the stop limit order. After this, simply enter the numbers of share to sell. If using a limit or stop order, input the desired price. And once you do that, simply review the details of your order and click on place order to finalize the sale. Once you do that, you will get a confirmation message or email regarding the transaction. So that's how you can sell stock on Etrade. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.